Stop right there. If you just read that sentence and thought, yeah, that sounds fine, then this video was made specifically for you. Because that sentence, she go to school every day, it is wrong, completely wrong. And millions of English learners say it exactly like that every single day. The correct sentence is, she goes to school every day. One tiny letter, one massive difference. And by the end of this video, you will never make this mistake again. I promise you that. Welcome back to Sky Echo Stories, where we fix your English one rule at a time. Today, we are covering the simple present tense. Now I know what you are thinking. I already know this. But here's the truth. Most English learners think they know simple present, and then they say things like, you don't like coffee. She work at a hospital. They goes to school. All of these are wrong. All of them. So today, in the next 5 minutes, we are going to fix every single mistake. Once and for all, stay with me. This is important. First, let us understand what simple present tense actually is. We use it for 4 things. Remember these 4. They are everything. Number 1, things you do regularly, habits, routines. I wake up at 6 a.m. every morning. She drinks coffee every day. Number 2, facts that are always true. The sun rises in the east. Water boils at 100 degrees. Number 3, things that are permanent. He lives in Karachi. They work at a school. Number 4, fixed schedules and timetables. The train leaves at 9 a.m. The class starts at 8. 4 uses. Simple present. Write these down. Now, rule number 1. This is the most important rule. This is the one everybody gets wrong. Listen very carefully. When the subject is he, she, or it, you must add s to the verb. Let me show you. I go, you go, we go, they go. But he goes, she goes, it goes. Did you hear that? He, she, it. The verb gets an S. Let me give you more examples. So this becomes automatic in your brain. I eat breakfast at 8 a.m. She eats breakfast at 8 a.m. They play football on Sundays. He plays football on Sundays. We study English every day. She studies English every day. Notice that last one. Study becomes studies. When a verb ends in y, you change y to it's, is. Study, studies. Fly, flies. Carry, carries. This rule, itchy she it, gets s, is the number 1 mistake English learners make. So, from today, itchy she it, remember all, every time you use itch, she, or it, your brain must automatically add that s. Say it with me. Itch, she, it. Add s. Every time. No exceptions. Rule number 2. How to make negative sentences. This is where I see so many mistakes. Students say, she not like coffee. Wrong. He no want to come. Wrong. They not go to school. Wrong. All of these are wrong. Here is the correct way. For I, you, we, they, use do not or the short form don't. I do not eat meat. I don't eat meat. They do not understand. They don't understand. For he, she, it, use, does not, or the short form doesn't. She does not like coffee. She doesn't like coffee. He does not work on Sundays. He doesn't work on Sundays. Now, here's something very important, a mistake even advanced learners make. When you use does not, the verb goes back to base form, no s. Listen, she likes coffee becomes she does not like coffee, not she does not likes coffee. The s disappears because does already carries the third person meaning. So remember, don't for I, you, we, they, doesn't for he, she, it. And after doesn't, base verb, no s. Rule number 3. How to ask questions in simple present. I hear students say, you like this? Wrong. She go to school? Wrong. Where you live? Wrong. These sound very broken. Here is the correct structure. For I, the beginning. Do you like this? Do they go to school? Do we have time? For he, she, it, put does at the beginning. Does she like coffee? Does he go to school? Does it work? Again, same rule as negatives. After does, the verb has no S. She likes becomes does she like, not does she likes. For WH questions, it is the same structure. Just add the question word at the front. What do you do every day? And where does she live? Why do they come late? How does he know that? Formula is simple. WH word, D or does, subject, base verb. Practice this formula. It becomes natural very quickly. Rule number 4, frequency adverbs. These are words like always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, never. These words tell us how often something happens. Now, where do you put them in the sentence? This is where students make a common mistake. They say, I go always to the gym. She drinks sometimes coffee. That is wrong. Frequency adverbs go before the main verb. I always go to the gym. She sometimes drinks coffee. They never eat fast food. He usually wakes up early. We often study together. Not the main verb. But there is one exception. When the verb is be, the adverb goes after be. She is always late. He is never tired. I am usually busy. Simple, clean, remember it. Now let me quickly show you the top common mistakes that students make in simple present. Fix these and your English immediately sounds better. Miss, take 1. She go to school. Correct. She goes to school. Remember, he, she, it gets S. Mistake 2. He don't like it. Correct. He doesn't like it. Remember, he, she, it uses doesn't. Mistake 3. Do she knows the answer? Correct. Does she know the answer? Yeah. After does, base verb, no S. Mistake 4. I go to school yesterday. Correct. I went to school yesterday. Yesterday needs past tense. Mistake 5. I go to school every day. Correct. I go to school every day. Yes, no am needed with daily habits. Mistake 6. She study English every night. C-O-R-N. She studies English every night. C-O-R-N. I becomes IES with he, she, it. Mistake 7. Always I wake up at 6. C-O-R-N. I always wake up at 6. C-O-R-N. Frequency adverb before main verb. 7 mistakes. 7 fixes. Learn these and save yourself years of embarrassment. Let me quickly recap everything we covered today. Rule 1. He, she, it always add S to verb. She goes, he works, it costs. Rule 2, negative, don't for I, you, we, they, doesn't for he, she, it. Base verb after doesn't. Rule 3, questions, do or does comes first. Base verb after does. Rule 4, frequency adverbs before the main verb, after be. 4 rules. That is all you need. Master these 4 rules, and your simple present becomes perfect. If you understood this today, I want you to do one thing. Write one sentence about your daily routine in the comments right now. Use simple present and let me see if you got it. If this video helped you, save it right now so you can come back to it and subscribe to Sky Echo Stories, because next video we are covering simple past tense, and trust me, you are making mistakes there too. See you in the next one.